Down through the ages, sailors believed that wind-powered ships can somehow warn them of danger or even predict the weather, but only if you give her proper respect. Does the HideAway really have a soul? Can she influence ship operation?
Is it too much to suppose that she may have contacted her trucker friends to block the only route that a person with limited towing experience can use to navigate our narrow streets? Or perhaps change a few street signs to confuse her new captain? Is it too much to believe that the HideAway would hesitate to leave her comfortable berth in our driveway for a new captain? A recent account describes a large, older woman dressed in traditional Mexican clothing. She sat on the transom, guiding the tired sailor through a long, foggy night, sailing from St. Petersburg, Florida, to a small port on the Alabama coast. The HideAway will tell you when she's unhappy, flapping her sails or refusing to come about. Sometimes, when she's really upset, you may find your feet entangled in her sheets. I can attest that if you return to your home port too soon, she will do her very best to stay off the trailer, perhaps savoring the last few moments of flotation. I shut down the motor and fell off a bit. Sailing began. Her sails filled by a friendly sea breeze, just strong enough to let HideAway's rigging sing. The Gulf of Mexico gives away as she heels slightly and gains speed. The sound of the water gurgling along her hull, the tiller's slight tremor of joy of being finally at sea, told the crew what we knew all along. This is where we belong.